about you guys, but I really like one pot dishes. They're easy to make, they're easy to clean up, and honestly, the only hard part is the prep. So today's video, I'm gonna be making beef chili mac and cheese. I really like macaroni and cheese. When I was in college, I used to get Panera Bread all the time just for their mac and cheese. Let's get started. So on medium heat in a large pot, I'm adding 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Just keep in mind that you might need a bigger pot just because this dish does require some real estate. You're then gonna see that I'm adding 1 whole onion. I actually cut it up in cubes and then I add it in and I saute it for about 7 minutes or until it turns translucent. I also add in garlic paste. You can use 3 minced garlic, but I actually like garlic paste instead because it mixes well together with the onions. You're then gonna grab a bell pepper, and you can grab any color you want. I just grabbed the red one just so it could be a little more colorful. And I'm going to dice that up, and then I'm going to throw it in with the onion and the garlic paste. You're going to saute that until it softens, so I would give it about 3 minutes. Once it does, make sure to grab your ground beef. The ground beef that I'm using, it's about 1.5 pounds of ground beef. You could use ground chicken if you want, and I'm sure ground turkey would also work as well. So I'm going to add that in, and then once it starts breaking up and turns brown, that's when I know that it's ready for my spices. While the measurements are on the screen, you guys can check the description box below to see the exact measurements as well, in case you missed it in the video. I then add in my broth, and you'll see with the broth, I'm using a kosher brand. I couldn't find a halal one. It's kind of hard over here where I am, so I just grabbed the kosher one and I used 2 of those boxes, which I transferred to a bowl and I added in. Then I'm going to add crushed tomatoes, and you're gonna see that I use this one. You can use any that you find. I just like crushed tomato that's mixed in with basil because it tastes a little better to me. I then also add my kidney beans. You'll see that mine says dark red kidney beans, but you don't have to use dark red kidney beans. You could just use regular kidney beans. Again, it's what I could find in the store. Because this is beef chili mac and cheese, that's why I'm adding macaroni. And then I'm going to put the lid on and let it cook for 7 to 8 minutes because pasta does cook quick. And occasionally in between that time, I just stir it just to see if the pasta is cooked. And then I'm going to grab my cheese. Now you can grab any cheese that you want, but I'm grabbing mozzarella cheese and then also just whatever honestly I had in the fridge. And I'll list what kind of cheese that I use below. You'll see that I add my first layer of cheese and then I mix it in, and then I add a second layer and I don't mix it in. Instead, I put the lid on and then I let it simmer for 5 minutes with turning the heat down completely. Don't judge me by the amount of cheese that I'm using. It can't be mac and cheese without the cheese, right? I then add cilantro or parsley, whichever herb you want to use, and then I sprinkle it on top. After a few minutes, I'm going to mix everything together and transfer it to a bowl. That's it. Really easy and really delicious, and a hearty meal for any type of occasion. Finally, you can enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed that. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, or even comment down below to let me know how you guys liked it. Also, I love the fact that the one pot dish serves so many people, and along with serving so many people, you can serve it any time of the year. I usually like to serve it for Thanksgiving, but it doesn't matter. You can do it for any event. The best thing about this is that I love beef and I love macaroni and cheese, so why not together have beef chili mac and cheese? Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.